Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Friday's Adventure. So today's adventure, we have to take the carburetor off. I tried to mow with it about a week ago. Yeah, about a week ago. It's October 7th, and it ran, but it wasn't running good. Like if I go downhill, it would cut off sometimes, but. So I think I need to just take the carburetor off and clean it, because I did not do that when I got it started. All I've done is change the oil. So I'm going to take the carburetor off and clean it, and then hopefully it'll run better. So let's get started. Alright everybody, so I tried to buy just a carburetor kit so I could show y'all how to rebuild a carburetor with new parts and stuff, but it turns out the rebuild kit was the same price as just getting a new carburetor. So I ended up just getting the new carburetor. Alright guys, so I recorded this wrong originally. I originally said the solenoid closed off the fuel supply line, but it does not. It closes off the jet to the carburetor. The float closes off the supply line. This closes off the jet, so if you don't have a fuel shutoff in the line and the needle and seat get stuck open, it can't flood the carburetor and flood the engine. I completely said that wrong when I was doing this. I had a lot on my mind, but I had to come in here and fix it while y'all were looking at this video and while y'all knew what I was talking about. So I'll put y'all back in right here so y'all can continue to hear what I'm talking about. Now, this new one, really the only difference is they changed the solenoid. So everything's pretty much the same. They changed the way they did this adjustment, but everything else, and of course I'm gonna have to move this ring for the throttle adjustment. But like I said, they changed the solenoid down here on the bottom to a plug-in, but I should be able to just attach this and everything should be right as rain. So I'm going to clean up all of this a little bit, try and get some of the dirt and everything out of the way, and then we will go on about this. So hopefully I'll have it running by the end of the day.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
And with this style, this newer one, you need low profile wrenches to be able to get, in between there. Which is why I like this style better, because you can fit a wrench here. You can fit a wrench here But like the low pro, you see how much less it needs. You have to have them to take this off. Like you cannot take this bowl off of this carburetor without low profile wrenches. Or breaking something, whichever comes first. First time I took it off, it was the ladder. I broke it before it came off. And these don't usually need polar specific terminals, because all it does is jump, or it interrupts when the key is off. All it does is interrupt that and say, hey, this, and sends this plunger up. But when there's key power to it, it sends power to this and draws that thing down. Also, got me some angled pliers to help with fuel lines. I got this from O'Reilly's. It is Power Torque brand. Power Torque, and they have a lifetime warranty on them. So, if you don't have a Harbor Freight where you get lifetime warranty on hand tools, O'Reilly's might be a good idea for you. And I'm not sponsored by them, it's just I happened to go there for stuff I needed. Alright guys, so we got her running. She sounds a lot better. She'll actually go down to idle down here, or low idle I should say. The fuel filter's filling up now, nice and good, now that we've changed it. As I showed in the last time we were working on it, when I replaced that, there was already sediment in that bowl, or in that filter, so that's probably going to have to be, the lines might need to be changed, or if I just run enough stuff through it, it should be fine. I am going to start running non-ethanol fuel in all of these. Now that I know where a place is in town, just to kind of help it out, so it doesn't do that same thing again and save some money down the road. But that's going to be it for this one. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all join us next time for another badass adventure, and I hope y'all have a blessed day.